Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Keokuk, local and long distance movers near me. If you're planning a relocation within or around Keokuk soon and need the best help you can get, then hire a local mover. There are several advantages you get when you hire a Keokuk local mover. Aside from being an affordable way of relocating, you feel less stress and actually enjoy the move period better. Let us tell you more about these benefits below. Working with a local mover will get your relocation done faster. You will get a team of local movers that will help you with moving, packing, and disassembling furniture sets, and lots more. With their help, you may even get all the items ready within 24 hours. It also reduces all the stress that long planning brings. To plan for your long distance move, you have to carry out some activities which will help you move on to the chosen date without delays. These activities are gradual and you have to begin early to finish in time. Let us give you some more information about these. You have to begin sourcing the packing materials that you will need for the move. It is very dangerous to move your items without packing them inside boxes and even providing extra paddings for them. Remember, it's a long journey and your valuables, especially the delicate ones, have to be in the right boxes. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Keokuk moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.